Welcome to this Amish Barndominium in Glasgow, Kentucky. Tucked away on nearly 14 acres of serene countryside, this home blends the fresh appeal of a 2023 build with the timeless, functional qualities we often associate with traditional Amish craftsmanship. From the first glance, the white siding and sturdy roofline stand proudly against the rolling green backdrop. In these opening shots, you get a sense of the property's scale. Expansive land that invites a slower, more intentional way of living. This isn't just a house, it's a homestead in the making, a place where practicality and simplicity define every feature. Can you guess the listing price? We will reveal it at the end of the video. As we move closer to the front approach, the understated facade comes into view. There's no ornate brickwork, no unnecessary flourishes, just clean lines, modest entryways, and functionality at its core. That's very much in keeping with Amish building tradition. Purposeful design, where every detail serves a role. The covered entry offers protection from the elements and a warm, welcoming sense of arrival. Stepping through the front door, the foyer greets us with openness and clean, practical finishes. No over-decoration, no distractions. Amish homes traditionally favor uncluttered spaces, valuing utility over luxury. This entryway sets that tone, a straightforward introduction to the interior. The living area stretches with open space, natural light spilling through generous windows. It's easy to imagine a handmade oak rocker here, or children playing while dinner simmers in the kitchen. In traditional Amish culture, the living room isn't for show. It's a true family space, multi-purpose, often modestly furnished, but always central. The kitchen, the heart of any Amish household. Here, the design is practical, built around functionality. Wide counters, durable cabinetry, and a layout designed for serious cooking, not just aesthetics. You can imagine big family meals being prepared here, or shelves lined with jars of home-canned produce from the property's own garden. A closer look highlights craftsmanship. While modern in finish, the cabinetry echoes the solid wood approach favored by Amish carpenters. These aren't showpieces. They're meant to last through decades of daily use. The neutral tones provide calm, making the kitchen a steady, dependable workspace. Moving to the dining area, its openness tells a story of gathering. Amish families are known for their long dining tables, often handmade, stretching to fit everyone at once. This space feels designed for that. A large, central table anchoring family meals, fellowship, and community. The primary bedroom is simple, uncluttered, and generous in size. Amish bedrooms are traditionally minimalist, with furniture that is practical and handmade. These photos showcase a room that feels calm and grounded, where rest is prioritized over embellishment. The large window frames rural views, bringing the rhythm of farmland right into the room. Amish practicality shows here in spirit, a space that serves well with quiet durability. The secondary bedrooms continue the theme, adaptable, honest spaces. Amish homes often repurpose rooms, a child space, a sewing room, a guest area, and these photos reflect that flexibility. Each room offers light, function, and clean lines, ready for simple furnishings that emphasize use over display. Amish-inspired design carries a rhythm, no wasted square footage, no over-decoration. Close-ups of trim and doors show the detail work. Solid wood doors, clean trim, all functional with muted elegance. This kind of finish echoes Amish woodworking. Natural materials left to speak for themselves, without flashy veneers or ornate carvings. Stairwells and connecting spaces are often overlooked, but here they show the home's flow. Amish builders prize transitions that are efficient and sturdy, staircases that last, hallways that serve. This additional living or flex space expands the possibilities. Amish households often use such rooms for quilting, communal work, or hosting extended family. Here it could serve as a den, playroom, or office, flexible in purpose, grounded in simplicity. In traditional Amish homes, utility rooms are essential, spaces where laundry dries, tools are stored, or chores are managed. These photos highlight a utility room designed with exactly that in mind: durable floors, straightforward finishes, and enough room to handle daily household rhythms. Stepping outside again, we see outbuildings and garage spaces. These are crucial in Amish living. Places for buggies or tools, workbenches, and agricultural storage. Here, the structures provide the same blend of shelter and practicality, vital to homestead living. The back porch and rear exterior shots highlight the quiet balance of home and land. Amish homes treat back porches as transitional spaces. Work boots come off here, children spill out to play, and family members gather to cool off after chores. Looking to the side yard, the acreage becomes clear. Amish families see land as more than scenery. It's livelihood, sustenance, and independence. Here, nearly 14 acres stretch out, ready for gardens, orchards, or simply wide-open play space. These views embody that promise. Wide views of the pasture reinforce what makes this property special. In Amish life, every acre matters. Gardens flourish, animals graze, and work and home are deeply tied to the land. These photos emphasize that rare blend of space and purpose. From the driveway, the property's stature shines. Approaching from the road, the home sits with calm strength, surrounded by open fields. The long drive evokes privacy, security, and that sense of separation from the bustle of modern life, much like an Amish farmstead set apart from town. Drone or elevated shots highlight the full spread, the house centered on nearly 14 acres of rolling green. From above, the symmetry and layout resemble a traditional farm property, where home and land merge seamlessly. Amish homes are designed with this exact balance in mind. As the sun dips, the house glows against the land. Amish communities often orient life around daylight, work, meals, rest, where home becomes sanctuary in the natural cycle of day to night. The last exterior photo serves as a quiet farewell, the house standing tall, simple and steady against the Kentucky countryside. A reminder that beauty often lies in simplicity and strength is found in function. So there you have it, an incredibly affordable and function Amish home in Glasgow, Kentucky. A 6-bedroom, 2-bath home built in 2023, offering nearly 3,000 square feet of living space and almost 14 acres of land. But beyond the numbers, what makes it truly unique is how it embodies Amish-inspired living. Simple, functional design, reliance on natural materials, and a deep connection to the land. This isn't just a modern home, it's a lifestyle, one where the acreage becomes a garden, the porch becomes a gathering space, and the kitchen becomes the heart of daily life. If you've ever dreamed of living with more intention, of owning a place where craftsmanship and simplicity converge, this home could be your perfect match. And one more thing, the listing price. Can you believe this incredible homestead was listed for just $345,000? It recently sold for $320,000. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth property tours. Could you see yourself building a life here? Let us know in the comments.